Well, hello, friends. I'm going to be doing a video, song clip, song impression. Actually, I've heard the song before. What an awkward way to start a video. Anyways, I'm recording with my phone, so this is going to be a little bit more of point of view. Radiant Acoustics Clarity 6.2 is the bookshelf model that I am demoing. They are inside the tower line. They're actually out in front of the tower line, so the side firing passive woofers are about halfway clearing the towers. I'm just going to play through the song. It was a great demo at Toronto Audio Fest. So I want to load it here on my phone for comparison's sake, I guess. And just for, just for entertainment, just for awareness, just for people to get a more and more and more video and sound samples of these Radiant Acoustics. We're going to be listening to Syncatto and Arc Echo. The song is called Prestige, and we are listening to it on Spotify. The Orchard Audio Stark Crimson Premium Monoblock Amplifiers, the Rotel RC1590 preamp, and then Weem Pro Plus Streamer. Not like all of those details will really be audible through a video, but anyways, I figured I'd be thorough in explaining what the system is doing. The system's up at about 47. Speakers are about 85 dB sensitivity. The subwoofers are on because the speakers are pulled out into the room. Their imaging is actually really great like this. And the bass sounds better balanced. Well, quite the impressive demo. Not quite as fluent to listen to as something like piano or vocals, which I will do more of those demos. The only problem is copyright and yada, yada, yada. This one, I think, still clears. I like to give a little bit of kudos where possible. Syncatto is a very talented guitarist, producer, and some of the songs go under the radar, where Polyphia's got a lot of coverage the last little while, and I believe these are in the same genre, so I like to inject a little bit of different music here and there. Anyways, enough blabbering from me for today. 3 videos on these speakers will go up probably Monday. I'm going to do a live tonight I have to prepare for, and by the time you see these, that live would have been posted on Sunday. So anyways, welcome to the future. I will see you in the next video. Please comment any thoughts. I'll bring more information about these. Actually, we'll check the website for all the details about them and ask me about my experiences or opinion, and I'll let you know what I think of them from there. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Have a great day.